everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the BEYBLADE Burst Turbo set. So let's get to it. So before we get any further, all I just want to say is this. I'll show you the sides of the box. So let's get to the front. So the front, it shows Z Achilles and Wonder Veltrig battling. And on the side here, it comes with two BEYBLADEs named Wonder Veltrig and Z Achilles, and two BEYBLADE Burst turbo launchers, and a picture of these guys battling. So let's move to the side here. So it says here, collect them all. So I guess Hasbro wants you to collect these bays. I'll name them. It is Brutal Lunar L4, Z Achilles A4, Wonder Veltrig V4, and Emperor Phonius F4. And if you already have Z Achilles and Wonder Veltrig, well, these are different colors. So you can see this tip is blue and his color is dark on Wonder Veltrig. So let's move to the back here. There's a lot of action going on here. So let's start with Wonder Veltrig here. This time it shows us details about Wonder Veltrig's parts, and the same on Z Achilles. And it shows details about the Rail Rush Base Stadium, which we're going to be battling in today. And on the other side here is Wonder Veltrig's length and how long it is, and on the same as Z Achilles. Alright, so let's get to the boxing. Alright, so first we're going to be taking out, wow, the Rail Rush Base Stadium. Now, this is a cool stadium, so it shows us, so let's look at the Rail Rush Base Stadium real quick. So it shows us the instructions right here, how to put it together and how to like rip the stuff here, but we already know that. So on the Rail Rush Stadium here, it's where a big place where to battle, and like here's a place where your BEYBLADE can regenerate and can charge for a big, they can charge for a big hit for the other BEYBLADE. So here is the thing to protect someone, because these BEYBLADEs are really crazy. So if it's like this and a BEYBLADE comes, and it might hit someone. So that's why it gives us protection here. Alright guys, so now let's open the launchers and Wonder Veltrig and Z Achilles. There's like little peaks that you can see where the BEYBLADEs are. This is Z Achilles right here, and there's Wonder Veltrig, like you can see a little of. Let's start to open this. Oh wow. Okay, so we have the two ripcords right here. We'll put them right here. We have the parts to put together the Rail Rush Base Stadium, which of course we need. We have Z Achilles parts in the launcher, and we have Wonder Veltrig's parts in the launcher too. So guys, now let's open this. So why we're opening this is because this is the way to do the stadium, to do these kind of stuff. So there's little holes here that I can fill like this. So that's there. And so there's other stuff here. So let's get to it here. Okay, so now let's put on the rim here. So these parts are supposed to go. So you should come with 4 of these in your pack, and you should put them on the little holes here, on the outside of the stadium. Alright, we're almost there. And this last one. Alright, so now we got the stadium. Now let's unbox the BEYBLADEs. So let's get to it. Alright, so now let's open Wonder Veltrig. Oh. Alright, so here we have Veltrig's performance tip. This is the normal mode, and then this is slingshot mode. So now let's get to his forge disc. So this is what the Forge disc. It has like cool sharp turns, like the sharp claws here. And now here's the energy layer. It looks pretty sick here. This is the QR code for the BEYBLADE game. Go check that out. So that's a QR code. Okay, now let's get the launcher. This is so hard to get out. So here's the BEYBLADE Burst Turbo Launcher. Let's see how it works. Oh no. Uh-oh. So it works pretty good. But now let's put Wonder Veltric together. So it looks pretty sick when we put it together. So now let's open Z Achilles. Alright, so let's do this. So here is Z Achilles energy layer. Here is the QR code for the BEYBLADE game. These are really hard to get out, guys. Sorry, it took me too long, I know. And this is the Forge disc. It looks really cool how it looks. Here's performance tip. So this is the regular mode, and then this right here. So you flick this little thing right here, and then this is slingshot mode. So now let's put Z Achilles together. So Z Achilles looks really cool, but let's get the launcher. So now we got 2 launchers and we got the 2 BEYBLADEs. So now let's go ahead and battle. So guys, now I'll explain the rules. So we're going to be going to 3 points. So it's going to be we're going to be using Z Achilles and Wonder Veltric. Let's get to the battle. 3, 2, 1, let's rip! Wow, Wonder Veltric's crazy. Oh my god! Whoa! Wonder Veltric just obliterated Z Achilles. So it is now 2-0. Wow, that was a sick battle. Alright, so let's put Wonder Veltric on slingshot mode and Z Achilles on slingshot mode. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, rip! Rip! They're so crazy! Whoa! Z Achilles gets a rematch. I mean, gets payback. So it's now 1, 2, 2. Okay, guys, round 3. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go! Whoa! Looks like Veltric's running out of stamina, and Z Achilles wins that round. So it's now 2-2. Veltric got a burst finish. Z Achilles got 2 survivor finishes. So here is the last battle. Whoever wins this battle is the champion. Alright, so we're going to be doing Veltric on slingshot mode and Z Achilles on slingshot mode. So let's get to this battle. Alright, round 4. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Do it. Oh! And Wonder Veltriek is the better Bay than Z Achilles. Alright guys, so we did an unboxing and the Rail Rush Bay Stadium. We battled with it. And guess who's better? Wonder Veltriek is better than Z Achilles. I thought Z Achilles would win because he's the main character. And let's look at the box here. It says Z Achilles burst is Wonder Veltriek. Z Achilles lost. Alright guys, so Wonder Veltriek was awesome. Like, he did amazing big jumps on in the Rail Rush Bay Stadium. So now, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.